Hello, in this tutorial I'm gonna convert a colorful image into black and white image using open CV. So I'm gonna import open CV2 and I'm just taking one image here and convert it into the img is equal to CV2 dot im CV2 dot im read function using unread function to read an image. I'm just says here image to png and passing a function to convert this image into grayscale. So this is the image I'm going to use to convert. So this is the image.png. So let me write this one png and capital. It's not making an issue, but for that I'm just writing this correct alphabetics, uppercase letter resize. I'm just resizing that particular image into here. Make sure int and right here img dot shape and here I'm taking its width and the height and dividing by 2. I'm doing half of the image and again I'm just writing int img dot shape passing the second variable, second argument here 1 divided by 2, so it should automatically divide the image resize. So print type of the image, type img. Let me check the code is working or not. Yeah, it's working. Numpy, the type is numpy cv2 dot. I'm gonna write this image. I am using a I am write function here, so this time I'm gonna write here black dot png and passing the image which we have converted before and cv2 dot im show and one will show that image and cv2 dot wait key for 400 seconds 400 millisecond. I'm really sorry for that. This for all Windows here, make sure this is working good. So cv2 has no attributes wait key, so wait key make it capital 1. cv2 has no attribute destroyed windows. Yeah, this is working. You can see here the black. Here is the image and here I have passed that image and will convert into the half size and make it black and white images. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I will make it more. Or please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.